Here are the new Haylou HexStorm G1 headphones. Wired headphones with virtual 7.1 surround sound compatible with multiple devices. They're very affordable, so I tested them for a good while for gaming, music and movies. And in this video, I'll tell you whether they're worth it for the price or if it's better to look for another option. This is the box they come in. It has a very eye-catching design that makes you feel like you bought something cool. Inside, you'll find your headphones and a manual. That's it. They have a glossy plastic finish that looks really good, but as soon as you touch them, they get smudged, so you'll have to clean them constantly, and it's that kind of cheap plastic that scratches easily. The red part is metal though. The ear cushions feel comfortable and have a synthetic leather covering, so if it's hot, they'll make you sweat. The headband also has padded synthetic leather for decent comfort. Honestly, they are comfortable. If I had to rate them, I'd give them a 7 for comfort and a 6 for build quality. They're a good size, so even if you have big ears, they fit you well. On the left ear cup, there's the microphone. It's very flexible. You can position it pointing directly at your mouth or move it away, but you can't remove it. It's fixed and will always be there. Since they're wired, the cable is also fixed and has a traditional USB connection. Along the cable, you'll find a volume control and a button to mute the microphone. The cable is about 1.8 meters long, so for a setup where your PC or console is very close, it works fine. Here on the box you can see the compatible devices: PC, laptop, PS4, PS5 and Switch. Only those. You can also use them on a phone or tablet, but you'll need an adapter, and you actually also need an adapter for the Switch if you play in handheld mode. As for audio quality, I tested them in 3 scenarios: movies, music and games. In video games, the performance is very good. You can clearly hear all the sounds in the environment and locate where they're coming from: left, right, behind or in front. Where it falls a bit short is in height, meaning the Z-axis. It's not as noticeable whether a sound is coming from above or below. I ran several tests. In Minecraft, for example, I placed a jukebox and walked around it. Left and right are represented perfectly, but height not so much. It's not bad, it's just basic. There's a platform to test whether you can locate where sounds are coming from, and the result was similar. Horizontally, it's very good, but with height, I couldn't tell as precisely whether it was coming from above or below. If you have headphones, listen to the following test and try to identify where the noise is coming from. If you're on PC, you can use Haylou software. Here, you can configure the headphone volume, the microphone volume, and hear the microphone noise cancellation level. Here, you can enable special effects for the microphone and here, special effects for the headphones. The equalizer works perfectly, and this option is the one we're interested in right now to enable virtual 7.1, which, as you can see, simulates as if you had all these speakers instead of just 2. Supposedly, with this option, it should improve sound positioning. I feel like it did improve height positioning, but now the horizontal axis became less noticeable, plus the sound feels hollow. To be honest, I prefer not to enable it, and also these options only apply to PC, since you need the program. By the way, a curious function is that you could make the speakers rotate around you, and it's like the audio is spinning around your head. Something that has very good quality is the microphone. I'll leave you the audio test.
Okay, this is a microphone test for the HexStorm G1 by Haylou. Here on this screen I have the Haylou control app. As you can see, I can turn the microphone volume down and also it up to the maximum. And here in this part I have the special effects, so I will activate.
This is supposed to be a man's voice.
This is a woman voice. This is a child voice.
And this is a monster's voice. My favorite is the monster one.
And that's it. What do you think about the microphone?
I think it's really good quality. It sounds clear and doesn't add any noise. I give the microphone a 10. And for the price of these headphones, honestly, the microphone is above what you'd expect in this range. Music. When testing with music, the sound is very good, honestly. It's a well-balanced sound. You can hear all the details and instruments perfectly, giving a full sound. What isn't very strong is the bass. And if you turn the volume up too much, the bass starts to distort. It's not bad. it's just meant to listen to music at a medium-high volume, never at maximum volume. In movies, you'll also enjoy a super complete audio. If it's an action movie full of explosions, crashes, and special effects, you'll enjoy them without any problem. Here, the bass doesn't distort like in music, and you can distinguish every detail. And the surround in movies is more noticeable, since here it's not so much a 3D environment like in games, but rather a more traditional left and right channel. Now let me tell you what's not so good. First, the control is attached to the cable. There's no 3.5mm jack connection. You're forced to connect them via USB. There are headphones where the control is a midpoint and you can convert to jack, but on these you can't. Second, the cable isn't very long. It works for small setups, but if you play in a living room where there's a lot of distance between the console and where you sit, you won't be able to use them comfortably. Conclusion, they cost around $48, but if you use the coupon I leave in the description, you can get them for $28, which is already a very cheap price. I'd say they're perfect for small setups, and if you don't want to spend a lot of money, since they're very affordable. Also, they're kind of simple. Among so many RGB lights and ultra bulky products, these are conservative and ready to use without much complication. Tell me what you think of these headphones. I'll leave it here. Over and out.